The thesis statements and the topic sentences are two of the most important aspects of an essay, especially when it comes to organization and clarity. So the thesis statement will be the last sentence of your introduction, and it is the one sentence that would sum up your entire essay. If you were forced to write just one sentence, what the whole essay would be about, that's going to be your thesis statement. It will have three parts. It has the topic, what is the essay about? It has the opinion or the viewpoint, what is it you want to say about that topic? And then your thesis statements should have an essay map as well. And that is the topics that each paragraph will cover to support the thesis. So if you look at this example thesis statement, Florida is my favorite place to go for vacation because of the beaches, Disney World, and the nice weather. Florida is our topic. The point I want to make is that it's my favorite place to go for vacation. And then the way I'm going to support that or explain why it's my favorite place is because the beaches, Disney World, and the nice weather. So you know that beaches will be the next paragraph that we read about. Disney World will be after that. And then the third body paragraph will be about the weather. Your topic sentences are going to be the very first sentence of each body paragraph. Now, not the introduction or the conclusion, but all the paragraphs in between. And it will be a general statement. So you don't want to start with a quote or a specific statistic. So if you look at my example topic sentences, for my first body paragraph, the beaches in Florida are a great attraction. That's a very general statement, but it lets the reader know this paragraph will be all about the beaches. Now, I don't want to start too specific. So if I said 93% of the beaches in Florida are dog-friendly, then that means that whole paragraph would have to be about those dog-friendly beaches, and that's not all I want to talk about. So you want to make sure it's general enough that all of the sentences can relate back to that topic sentence. And then I would move on to Disney World, and then finally to the weather. So again, having that thesis statement and the essay map will help you and your reader stay organized throughout the essay.